Namaste and welcome to Alpha Mind Power channel. Today I am going to speak about a topic which has been coming up very often. Often women ask me, they may be meditating, they may be our Alpha Siddha, they would have learnt many things from many of our classes, but the husband may not be doing meditation, he may not be coming for our classes, attending our classes. So they will say, my husband is doing a business and he has a lot of problems, he is so stressed. So what can I do in meditation to help his business to grow and to release his stress? This is a question which many people have asked, many women. So this video is for you. If you want to meditate and make your husband's business grow and become bigger and more profitable, then you can do all these few points which I will tell you now. Particularly if you are an Alpha Siddha, if you have attended our Alpha Mind Power classes, this will be very much useful for you. Okay, so let's go 5 points. Number 1, if you want your husband to function in a better way and do his business in a better way, treat him very well at home. This may sound very, like chauvinistic type. It's not that. Any human being who is treated well with respect, with love, with care will always function in a better way. So going by that, make your husband feel welcome at home. In many houses it doesn't happen. Practically it doesn't happen. But if you can do that, make your husband feel that, yeah, this is my house, and when I go back home in the evening, my wife is very happy to see me, children are happy to see me. That gives him that urge to do better in business. So that is point number 1. Point number 2, give him a lot of confidence that he can handle the problems that he is facing in his business. Because any business, it's not only about making money. Making money, of course, is the main plan. But to do that, you need to face many other things. There will be competition and there will be problems from the employees. So a person has to handle all that. If it's a small business, it's even more difficult. So give him the confidence. If you know what the issues are that he's facing, tell him that, see, you can definitely handle this very well. Be calm, don't be stressed. And maybe if you can give 1 or 2 ideas, you can. Even if you don't give any ideas, it's okay. But make him feel that he can handle these things very easily. That is it's of utmost importance, because the confidence that you give your husband will make him think in a better way. That is point number 2. Now point number 3, meditate, and as I always say, send colors to your husband and visualize that he is making a lot of profit in his business. And for any business, when you visualize for a business to do well, the best way to do it is to visualize the profit, because that is something measurable. Otherwise, if you simply say the business is doing well or better, you don't know how to bring it properly there as a picture. You don't know how to make the subconscious mind understand. So all that becomes vague. So you just say that you give him a lot of colors, shower colors, as I always say in my videos also and in the classes: white, green, pink, violet and gold. Shower those colors from the universe and visualize that your husband is making a lot of profit in his business. He is very successful. And point number 4, for this to happen, many of his customers or clients have to be in a very positive frame of mind, favorable for your husband and his business. So think of all the clients or customers. You don't have to know their faces or names. Just think of all of them together. Shower a lot of colors on them and mentally talk to their subconscious mind and say, I'm very happy that you're supporting my husband's business. Please continue your support, or whatever you wish to say depending on the business, you can say that. And then last but not least, when you do all this, definitely the business will improve, the income will improve, and more money will come into the house. So the last point, you can also visualize what you will be doing with that money. That will make you feel more happy about the whole thing, because you're visualizing for your husband. So what is it that you are going to enjoy? So when the money comes in, maybe you will buy certain things for the house, maybe you will make your life a little more luxurious. There's nothing wrong. Live a fulfilling life out of the money that your husband is earning. There's nothing wrong in that. Maybe you'll spend a little more for a holiday, for a vacation. And then if you want to help somebody, if you want to do give some donations somewhere, some genuine causes are there, dharma, that is also very good. So visualize or bring to your mind how you will spend that money. Of course, all the money that we earn is not just like that kept in the bank. We also take out some money, spend it for our life, and when the income increases, the lifestyle also changes. So visualize what all comforts you will bring into your life. Visualize what changes you will bring into your life. Visualize how your life can become better. So these 5 points, very simple. But if you sit and meditate and do all these 5 points every day, remember these 5 points and follow them, you will see a remarkable difference. You will see your husband's business doing very well, the profits soaring, and of course your life also will become much better. So practice this, and please let me know your comments, let me know your experiences also.